got 4 of the different crates here, and you've got the actual drawer itself. All 4 crates are the same, so we're only going to assemble one here. Not going to use any glue or anything for this video because it'd take too long, but we do recommend using glue for all the assembly steps, just basically putting a little bit of glue in the valleys and putting everything together, wiping everything clean. So get started on one of the assembly crates. We'll assemble the other 3 off screen here, but basically what we're going to start with is we can take the base plate here, and you've got the little logo on the bottom there, and we can take the front wall that's got the Moonshine Empire logo. So we're going to assemble this like this, a little bit of glue right there and there. We'll pop that in like that so that they're facing the same orientation. And then we can just kind of rotate around. There's 2 different types of walls. The front and the back wall have the little piece that's on the top of it, where the side walls don't because they nest together. So we're going to grab one of the side walls here, and again, a little bit of glue going around, and we just kind of pop that in, and we're just going to work our way around this thing as we go. So we'll take the other, this is going to be the back wall. So pop it in just like that, and do the same thing with the other side wall. Just like that. That's what it should look like after you're done. We'll make sure it's all nice and snug because this is going into the drawer. And if it's got a bunch of gaps in it, it's not going to fit as nicely into the drawer. So put that one off to the side. Again, we'll assemble the rest of these off camera so we're not just wasting time there. Then we can do the drawer. So this one's not really order specific. This one is symmetrical as well, so it shouldn't really matter, at least in the base plate, which way you put it. We're going to take one of the side walls, again, glue in the valleys along the base here, and we'll just pop that in, going on down. Some of these are a little snugger than others. Gotta squeeze it in place, just like that. And then we can take the front wall here. So these side walls are different at the ends. You got the front piece, which has a little extension on it. It's gonna nest into this one, and you got the back wall, which has to go on this side. So when you're putting the side walls on, just make sure they're in the same direction so you don't have a mismatch. But you can do either the next side wall or the front wall. I'm just gonna do the front wall because it'll help stabilize it a little bit. Put a little bit of glue here, and we'll just kind of pop that in, just like that. And then we can do the other side wall. Glue along the edges and the valleys. Just kind of get it lined up. And just work your way down the part. And kind of working around makes it harder to get the side walls backwards because you're installing them in the front wall as you go. And we'll do the back wall. So again, gluing all the valleys here. And just pop that through like that and like that. Get everything nice and snug because this is sliding into a cavity in the Poppy's auction house insert. So you'll make sure this is nice and tight so it's not dragging on that. Same way you don't want the crates dragging when they go in. But once you got the drawer, you got the 4 crates, and those will just drop in like that. The Moonshiners go into those crates.